We might have to just hump it like they did, you know? Because your front just immediately skipped over on these angles, right? I came from a little bit more over there. I know I aimed for here and like made myself light, you know, and it's not easy, man.
Remember when we said if you're gonna fall to the right?
Yeah. Yeah, until the rock kicked me to the left.
No worries. Let's get this beast back up.
Do you want to? Should we go up over there or try to hump it up to the same spot?
I'm thinking over here now. So we'll just, yeah, one on each of these maybe, and you're gonna work the bars and the. Okay, hang on. You're gonna have to hit the front brake like anytime we get over like a ledge, you know.
See if we can slide it this way again a little bit.
Yeah. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Aboard. Yeah, I don't know. This might be too much for us here.
Well, we can't go back.
No, we can't go back. This is bent, eh? Just bent though. Someone should go on the front tire, I think, and pull. Yeah. You know, that just works good with the leverage. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Like, I would attempt it with your bike, but I'd give it a shot though, probably.
Yeah. Can I try that?
I mean, worst case, I tip over, right? We've already done that once or twice, so. Does this have traction control?
Yeah.
And it's on?
When you shut it off, it automatically comes on.
Okay, I want it on.
Yeah, probably down to the lowest one.
Ooh, this feels nice. Yeah. I'm sorry about your bike though.
It's okay.
Just not used to where the clutch engagement is, and
1, 2, 3.
hang on. Okay, everything looks good over here. I don't see anything.
Thoughts?
Well, I'm thinking be like almost 100% manpower, almost like try to do it in neutral, you know, not even running. Like, well, I think we do that. 1, 2, 3 over this route. 1, 2, 3. You know, front tire here, front tire here. Ready? Good. Okay, well, we're the furthest we've gotten. I'll get it up another foot or two, and 1, 2, 3. Hold her up. Okay. Okay, brake. That's not bad, boys. We're advancing.
Like if we kind of come back this way.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to try and go around the other side. You're going to have to really watch that it doesn't fall this way.
Yeah, it's not a bad idea.
But if I get on that side, my arms will be up higher.
Yeah.
Right now I'm like this.
Yeah, trying to work the throttle.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Right. Stop.
Okay.
Let's just left, ready, Peter?
Which way are we going?
We're going straight.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. Kill it for a second.
I'm just going this way, towards me, right?
Yeah, right. As far as you can.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
2, 3. Ready? One more time. 1, 2, 3.
Nice. Now we try to stand her up. Ready?
Yep. that kickstand there.
Easy peasy.
Jesus Christ. Drink some water if you got some.